Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you a really interesting kit designed for cleaning our electronic devices, smartphones, wireless earphones, and even computer keyboards. I've tested it thoroughly, and here's how it went. The kit comes in a minimalist package, with a product image on the front and some basic information on the sides and back, where we also find a complete list of the contents. Inside the box is an opaque white plastic bag containing everything you need. In addition to the main body of the kit, we also find a spare microfiber pad with Velcro closure. For small adhesive pads useful for cleaning camera lenses. A microfiber cloth ideal for smartphone and tablet displays, depending on the device being cleaned. An instruction leaflet is also included, with clear illustrations showing how to use each tool correctly. Removing the back cover reveals a microfiber pad secured with Velcro, easily removable and washable. On the side, there's an orange lever that, when pushed upward, releases a soft bristled brush, perfect for quickly cleaning your PC keyboard, for example. Pulling the lever downward again retracts the brush. Opening the transparent top cover provides access to all the other tools. Just beneath the cover, there's a special tweezers for removing keyboard keys, allowing for more thorough cleaning using the main brush. The included mini spray bottle can be filled with display or monitor cleaner. Simply spray the liquid and then wipe it with the cloth included in the back of the kit. There's also a small, delicate brush, useful for reaching hard-to-reach or hard-to-reach spots. We also have a stick with a pad specifically designed for cleaning smartphone and camera lenses. The various tools can also be combined for more effective cleaning. Among the most interesting accessories is a metal-tipped pen for removing dirt from crevices, especially useful for wireless headphones. Below is a brush with stiff bristles, perfect for microphones or the edges of devices. This pen can be used in combination with the microfiber wand, designed for cleaning the inside of headphone charging cases. As mentioned at the beginning, the package also includes a replacement microfiber pad with Velcro and 4 lens cleaning stickers, as well as a soft cloth for polishing screens.